feel like I'm Eve right now, about to eat the unforbidden apple. Unforbidden fruit. It's very good. Very sweet.
What kind is it?
Rum.
And where are you at?
Hopewell. Furnace. This here is a Macintosh apple. It's definitely the best apple I've ever eaten. Oh my gosh, hold on. Okay. It tastes like apple pie. It's not yet cooked. It's sweet, juicy, a little sour but balanced with the sweet. It tastes like fall.
Let's get you another one.
And it tastes kind of cidery.
Cidery. That's a word.
That's one.
Oh, here's its brother. Oh, there it is. Coming down. Oh, that's a fresh apple.
Hercules moment.
Enjoy.
Oh my gosh, this is so good.
Excuse me, folks. Can I have an interview?
Well, we're out here in Pennsylvania comparing these apples here in Pennsylvania to the northern Michigan apples. And we're seeing that they've got some good sweet ones in here. There's like that song that says, put away your DTTs.
Put away your DDT.
I don't mind the spots on my apples. Oh, it goes to show you don't know what you got till it's gone. We'll pave paradise and we'll put up a parking lot.
You didn't go over there.
That song's called Yellow Cab.
Can I get a shot in your bucket?
Yeah, shoot my bucket.
What kind you fancy in
fish
there?
in the bowl.
What kind you
There
fancy?
is
Galveston.
Jonathan's are in there. We got one over there. What was the one over there? It's kind of fuzzy like a peach.
Is that the Galveston?
Let me let you try it. Bite that one.
They're good. They taste great.
Tell me what you think.
Yeah, Galveston. You know why, honey? Those are some of the ones that are in right now.
Well,
Galveston.
Very white.
They're yummy.
Explodes in my mouth.
Well, a lot of them are not ripe yet. Particularly.
These Macintoshes are divine. Try one. The Macintosh in the store are very skinny, or like have a lot of skin. These are perfect.
Got some spots here, so we know that's probably this one is growing. Probably something in the weather made it spot at certain times when it was growing. We just bit into it there. A bit there, and we'll go.
Yeah. And what about the brown part?
Well, what we're doing is we're trying to see how quick it actually starts to turn brown. Because I know when I'm in the public school system in Michigan and we get an apple, I can bite that apple, set it on the counter, go do something, come back, and it's hardly even brown. And I'm noticing the older I get, it more seems like the apples don't brown as fast as when I was a kid.
Branches in your way. Ooh, look at you.
Oh,
It fell.
yeah.
That apple wanted to be in your mouth. It fell. Oh, it's got a bite out of it, or that leaf.
So you're saying that conventional apples, because they're so
I could see you go
tainted,
out
or?
I don't know if they're tainted, they're just genetically modified, I think, to last longer on the shelf. So in the process of it, not only does it last longer with this casing on it, but when I bite into it, expose it, it still has a long shelf life. Because they must look into it somehow to genetically modify it to make it shipped from, let's say, Washington on an 18-wheeler to Michigan. or Florida or wherever they want to ship it to. They might even send it overseas. I don't even know.
It's not going to be any sweat on my brow.
I believe you were a drum on your previous one.
Anybody else?